Welcome back to our channel. Today's weekend special recipe is Aloo Paratha, in which there are two recipes. Let's get started. The ingredients needed for the first recipe are 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, 1½ cup of wheat flour, ½ cup of all-purpose flour, 1½ teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon amchur powder, 2 tablespoon ghee, 1 tablespoon cilantro leaves, 2 green chilies that are chopped, and ½ cup of milk. First, we're going to boil 2 potatoes. After the potatoes are completely done boiling, we're going to mash them well. Now to make the dough, we're going to start off by putting our wheat flour in a mixing bowl along with our all-purpose flour. Now we're going to add 2 small green chilies that are chopped, a ½ teaspoon of black pepper, 1 tablespoon of cilantro leaves, 1 tablespoon crushed pepper, 1 tablespoon amchur powder, 1½ teaspoon of salt, and now we're going to add our mashed potatoes. Now we're going to add our 2 tablespoons of ghee. Add a ½ cup of milk. Now we're going to form a dough. Fry on a tawa. You can use vegetable shortening, olive oil, or butter. After the paratha is done on both sides, it's time to dish out. For the second recipe, we're going to be using all-purpose flour. The ingredients needed are 2 large boiled potatoes, 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/4 cup of whole wheat flour, 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, 2 tablespoons of ghee, 1 small serrano pepper that's chopped, and a 1/2 cup of milk. I'm going to start off by adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour and a 1/4 cup of wheat flour in the mixing bowl. Now we're going to add our boiled and mashed potatoes. Now we're going to add 1 tablespoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon amchur powder, 1 teaspoon crushed pepper, 1 serrano pepper chopped, and 2 tablespoons ghee. Now we're going to form a dough. Gradually add 1/2 cup of milk. Take a small portion of the dough and roll it out into a paratha. Fry on a tawa. You can use vegetable shortening, olive oil, canola oil, or butter. Thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, please give it a big thumbs up and please subscribe to our channel.